Let's talk about the Redmi Watch 5, a smartwatch packed with exciting features, from design upgrades to advanced AI and even eSIM functionality. It also debuts with a revamped operating system that's set to redefine smartwatch experiences. Curious? Let's get into it. The Redmi Watch 5 sports a premium aluminum alloy frame and a stainless steel rotating crown for effortless control, a plastic underside, and a 5 ATM waterproof rating, making it resistant to water up to 50 meters. Customization options include 7 quick-release straps, with the Kona leather magnetic strap adding a touch of elegance. Its 2.07-inch AMOLED display shines bright at 1500 nits, with a 60Hz refresh rate and ultra-thin 2mm bezels. The 82% screen-to-body ratio gives it a modern, seamless look. And with over 200 watch faces, including a dynamic floating portrait mode, your smartwatch just got more personal. Battery life? It's impressive. The 550 mAh battery delivers up to 24 days in smart mode and 12 days with the always-on display enabled. If you're using the eSIM version, expect 12 days in eSIM mode or up to 25 hours of continuous walkie-talkie functionality. Yes, with the eSIM model, you can make calls, send messages, and stay connected without your phone. The Redmi Watch 5 works seamlessly with both Android and iOS, though battery performance may slightly vary when paired with an iPhone. Health tracking gets an upgrade with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep analysis, and stress management powered by Xiaomi's algorithms. Fitness enthusiasts will love the 150+ sports modes, built-in GNSS for precise location tracking, and an upgraded heart rate sensor boasting 97.1% accuracy. The Redmi Watch 5 is also one of the first to launch with Xiaomi HyperOS 2. This brings exciting features like NFC car key support, smart home device control, and instant notifications. The watch supports third-party apps like Baidu Maps and offers payment options via WeChat and Alipay. It even includes Xiaoai, Xiaomi's voice-controlled assistant, to make life easier. However, these features are currently tailored for the Chinese market, as you may have noticed. Hopefully, we'll see them roll out globally soon. Starting at Chinese yuan 599, $83 for the standard version, and yuan 799, $110 for the LTE variant, the Redmi Watch 5 delivers incredible value. International availability is expected soon, and we can't wait to see how it performs globally. What are your thoughts? Is the Redmi Watch 5 shaping up to be the smartwatch of the year? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this.